Good morning, Vestige. Good morning, Mr. of Milan. Welcome to yet another session of special e-trainings from the House of Vestige, जो आप अपने घर में safe रहकर attend कर सकते हैं. So stay home and stay trained. As Mr. of Milan, we believe that being beautiful is about being beautiful inside out. Makeup confidence बढ़ाता है और keeps us get going when the times are tough. Psychologically, whenever we apply makeup, it gives us a sense of upliftment, of mood and hope, thus keeping us positive. आप खुश रहते हैं and look forward to have a great day. आज मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान सेशन में हम बात करेंगे फेस कैटेगरी के सिल्क ग्लो ब्लश की. हम में से कई लोग रोजाना के मेकअप में ब्लश नहीं लगाते, but blush is a great way of bringing an instant change to your look. Blush की कई खूबियां हैं, जैसे a blush makes you look healthy. It makes your cheekbone look sculpted. Your skin looks younger, cleaner and clearer. Mr. of Milan Silk Glow Blush gives a flushed effect, which looks healthy, vivid, and so natural on the cheeks. It builds up nicely, and the finish is velvety, which makes the skin glow and makes it look great. This blush is made just right for your skin to give a perfect glow. ये blush easily spread हो जाता है with excellent color payoff, gives a silky smooth effect and has a natural flush effect. इसका सैटिन वेलवेट फिनिश हर स्किन टाइप पर सूट करता है. As we know, choosing the perfect shade always becomes difficult. Same goes for blushes as well. आप अपने स्किन टोन के हिसाब से यहाँ दिखाए गए शेड्स कैटेगरी से अपना शेड चुन सकते हैं. ये सारे कैटेगरी शेड्स अवेलेबल है मिस्टर ऑफ मिलान सिल्क ग्लो ब्लशेस में. आइए अब सीखें ब्लश लगाने का स्टेप वाइज तरीका. स्टेप 1. Always prepare your skin before applying any makeup, and first start with base makeup. Only after base makeup apply blush and then rest of your makeup. By doing so, you will get an idea how to do your eye makeup or lip makeup as per your now sculpted face. So याद रहे, blush after base and before rest of the makeup. So try as many times as you can to master the blush stroke and invent your own style of makeup. Step 2. Always start with light brush strokes and tap off the excess powder on the brush before applying. ब्लश को ज़रूरत के अनुसार कलर बढ़ाने के लिए दोबारा ब्रश से पाउडर लें और अप्लाई करें. एक ही स्ट्रोक में ब्लश को गहरा करने की कोशिश ना करें. ऐसा करने पर ब्लश पैची लग सकता है. From your cheekbones, apply blush in short up-down vertical movements till your ear or temples, as per your face shape. To know more about how to locate the blush area, please do watch Makeup Tips from Mistral of Milan session part 1. याद रहे, never blush into your hairline. स्टेप 3. अगर ब्लश ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा लगा हो तो उसे कम करने के लिए टिश्यू पेपर को ब्लश एरिया पर रखें एंड एक साफ मेकअप ब्रश या स्पॉन्ज से हल्के मोशन से डैब या स्वीप करें. आइए अब जानें कि फेस शेप के अकॉर्डिंग हाउ टू अप्लाई ब्लश. फॉर ओवल फेसेस you can try different blush styles as every style suits your face shape. Apply blush to the apple of your cheeks and swipe upwards to highlight the cheekbones. For round faces, apply the blush along the cheekbones towards the ear. This will make the face appear slimmer. For heart-shaped face, apply the blush right under the cheekbones and swipe upwards to balance out the jawline and thin chin. For square faces, always apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and blend. This will soften the angles of the face and give a subtle roundness. Always remember, never overdo the blush. Use less powder and slowly layer up as per requirement. Blend well. Blush looks the best when it is applied just lightly and rightly. Always apply blush with same color tone of your lipstick. This will make the makeup more flattering. मेकअप का सबसे सटीक मंत्र है ब्लेंड ब्लेंड एंड ब्लेंड. ब्लश को ऐसे ब्लेंड करें ताकि ब्लश नेचुरल लगे. अवॉइड पैची और exaggerated lines. With right blending, your makeup can last long as well. For everyday purpose, heavy sparkle या glitter वाले blush avoid करें. Mistral of Milan Silk Glow Blush में है variety of shades with and without sparkles जो आप daily use कर सकते हैं. इस blush में है right amount and subtle shimmer जो soft and natural लगते हैं. Just enough that when the light falls on your skin, you cast a beautiful glow. ब्लश की इतनी खूबियां हमें पता चली. चलिए थोड़ी और जाने. जी हाँ, you can multitask with your blush. You can do contouring with blush. Yes, just use a slightly deeper tone and apply in the hollows of your cheek, that is, under your cheekbones, and blend to get a neat sculpted look. Also, you can use blush to brighten up your eyes. Blush अपने brow bone पर लगाएं और inner corner of eyes to give an instant trendy eye makeup. Do try at home and master the blush stroke. From the House of Vestige, Mistral of Milan Silk Glow Blush are formulated in Italy, are paraben free, 100% cruelty free, and are halal certified. और आप ये प्रोडक्ट ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. वेस्टीज ऑफर करता है फ्री शिपिंग ऑन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ऑफ ₹1600 एंड अबव टिल द लॉकडाउन. तो जल्दी कीजिए अपने वेस्टीज POS ऐप या shop.mywestige.com पर अभी ऑर्डर करें. Thank you so much for attending the session. Ladies and gentlemen, please share this with your colleagues and downlines to keep up the chain of learning from home. Thank you again. Stay beautiful always, stay safe, stay home, and stay trained. Wish you well.